Jason. Today I'm going to present to you how to use the internal alarm for the Zero series. Without further ado, let's look at a few functions we have for the internal alarm. Okay, first of all, we have the arm alarm button here on the top left hand corner. So with this arm, the scooter will not be able to be switched on. So you're not allowed to switch on the scooter. And of course, on top of that, if someone trying to move the scooter, the alarm sounds off. And next, we have the unarm button on the top right hand corner. Okay. At the same time, you will not be able to switch on still, but in this case, you will be able to park your scooter at home while charging, and not every time triggering the alarm when it's in your house. Next, we have the power on button here on the right hand side. Press twice. Now you will be able to on the scooter. So at this mode, if you press any of the unarm or arm button, you will actually switch off the scooter itself. So this alarm system works as a key ignition and also at the same time alarm system. And of course, once it's armed, if someone touches it, if someone knocks into it accidentally, you can use the Rearm system. So you'll cut off the alarm system sound, but at the same time arm it back. Hi guys, today we're going to present to you the method of installing the internal alarm. Okay, this is the internal alarm box itself. It will be paired with two of these remotes. Okay, tools you will need, of course, is an Allen key. This to open up the deck itself. Okay, with the deck open up, next you will need to look out for the throttle wire. So what we're looking for, so for the 010, you will see a total of 6 wires, They'll be coded white, yellow, black, green, red, and blue. So you have to unplug the wire for your throttle. One side, the female side, will actually goes to the controller, while the male side goes to your throttle. Okay, so from here, we'll tap on the wire. You will need to remove 3 different colors. Okay, first, the black has to go 3-way. Okay, the black has to go 3-way. The red from the alarm box will go back to the white towards the controller. The orange from the alarm box will go towards the white towards your throttle. So once this one is plugged in and you've done the wiring, plug back in the throttle wire, you hear this sound. Okay, this sound indicates the power has flowing in into the alarm box.